everybody, welcome back to another video with me, Jamie, and today I'm going to be talking about a brand that has been sent to me and is very new to me. I'm talking about the REJUVENOL Argania serum, and this is what the bottle looks like. They do come in two different types. One is for oily and fine hair, and the second one is the one I have, which is for dry and coarse hair. This serum protects your hair from extreme humidity and is perfect for me here in the UAE. This quickly absorbs into my hair, adds shine, tames my frizz, and smoothens out my dry ends. It is a professional hair care line and is enriched with 3 different oils: argan, flaxseed, and carrot. It is a thick oil, but manages to absorb really quickly into the hair without leaving it weighed down or greasy. I use this after I've done blow drying my hair or even straightening it or curling it, as it does help me tame my baby hair and it leaves the hair smelling really nice. I love the scent of this. I never thought I would like this oil so much. I guess I also never heard about the brand before, and I was judging it based on its packaging, which we all know we shouldn't do. It is priced at 100 AED per bottle. I just used a pea size for that much hair. Sometimes a little more if my hair is a little dry, but I know this can easily last me more than a year. So I take a drop or two depending how much my hair needs and massage this in my palms and then run my fingers through my hair and my ends. We all know the advantages of argan oil for the hair, but I was surprised to learn about flaxseed oil and carrot oil. Now I read here that these oils are really good for stimulating hair growth, increases elasticity, which means less breakage, and perfect for even dandruffed hair. Now I haven't used it as a treatment oil, but you could also use it as a treatment oil like you would use any kind of coconut or olive oil. I'm yet to try that out, but I think it works really well as after blow dry oil for me, as I love the smell as it lingers throughout the day. I was looking out for the ingredient list to this oil, but I couldn't find that. I got mine sent to me by a company here in the UAE. You can find it on their website, which I will put the link down in the description box, and you can also find it on Amazon. I love how this makes my hair look and smell, and I would highly recommend it as well. If you do see it at any of your salons, I would recommend picking this oil up. I know they also do have shampoos, conditioners, and hair masks, which I haven't tried as yet. I really don't know whether this brand is cruelty-free or vegan, but if I do figure this out sometime in the future, I will put this information in the description box, so please check that out. And I think that's all for today. I hope you found this review really helpful, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!